Dad. Mom said you're floating over the Pacific again. We went to the beach today. The water was sparkly, like the stars you showed me.
Hey Sunshine, got your video. Been playing it on loop up here. Just a few orbits left. Thought I'd send this while I still have the view. Look at that. Doesn't it look majestic?
We saw so many jellyfish today, Dad. The jellyfish float and drift like astronauts, but they never really leave the sea. When you're up there, Dad, do you ever feel like you're still part of this world?